You're talented, your work looks great, but you're still not landing clients. Why? It's frustrating when you know you can help people, but your inbox is quiet, your pipeline is dry, and your bank account keeps reminding you that something's off. If that sounds familiar, my friend, this video is going to break it down for you. Hello, my friend. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Adrian Somoza and I focus on helping talented freelance web designers grow their talent and charge what they are worth. Today, I'm walking you through the 3 real reasons you're not landing clients and what to do about it. Now, before we jump in, if you're already tired of guessing your next steps and want help building a 6-figure web design business, book a strategy call with me. Link is going to be in the description. We'll map out a plan and see if you're a fit to join the BONT Club. My mentorship program with an online course, weekly live group training sessions, and a community of like-minded web designers to help you scale your business to a financially peaceful and creatively challenging one. So reason number 1, you don't have a lead generation system. Simple, obvious, right? The number 1 reason why most designers don't have clients, they are invisible. You're relying on referrals, random Instagram posts, or hoping someone stumbles across your site. But hope isn't strategy. Crossing your fingers isn't a strategy. You need a repeatable system that brings in 5 to 10 qualified leads every single month. And that could mean outreach, it could mean content, it could mean collaborations, or all 3. But the key is strategy and consistency. Without leads, there's no clients. Without clients, there's no business. You just have a hobby. So if you resonate with this, right? If you feel like I'm describing you, then you're not alone. Let me tell you that. I help freelance web designers fix this exact issue and build lead generation systems that run even when they are delivering projects. Okay, so if you want help doing that, book a strategy call with me. The link is below. Now, reason number 2 is you spend all your time delivering. Here's the hard truth. Sales is the blood of your business. But when you're swamped with work, right? When you're swamped with projects, it's easy to forget about the pipeline. So you finish one project, you celebrate for 30 seconds, and then you panic because you have no idea where your next client is coming from. You're busy but not building anything sustainable. This is the famous feast and famine cycle. So what's the solution then? Well, you need to balance delivery with business development, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, okay? Because if you're not selling, you're not growing. You're just surviving. Reason number 3, you don't have a sales process. Even if leads do show up, do you actually know how to close them? Most designers wing it on calls. I used to do that as well. I had no idea what type of questions to ask, right? And so they quote on the spot, they fumble through objections, or follow up too late, or not at all, okay? Sales doesn't have to be awkward, but it does have to be structured. You need a sales call framework and a follow-up system that doesn't feel desperate. When you have a process, sales get easier, faster, and more predictable. So the solution, okay? This solution is to build 3 systems. So here's what it takes to start getting clients consistently, okay? Number 1, lead generation system, so that you're not waiting on luck, you're building a pipeline. Number 2, a sales system, so you know exactly how to turn interest into income. And then number 3, a delivery system, so that your projects run smoothly and don't drain all your time and energy. And when these systems are in place, you don't just land a client, you land the right clients consistently, confidently, and at premium rates. For example, Chris Owen said, 5 months after joining the BONT Club, I closed my first project at $15K web design and branding, when I would have probably charged around $7K if I had taken it on my own. And Miluska Gamarra said, I submitted a proposal and was selected with a budget of $10,000. This was 1 month after joining the program. And Pablo Miranda, I started to secure higher paying clients with the potential to hit $10,000 in a span of 4 months of joining the program. So these systems work. Now you can build them yourself if you want to, but if you want to speed things up, right, save yourself a lot of time and hassle and avoid common mistakes and traps, get real support so that you can make solid progress in your business. That's exactly what I help you do inside the BONT Club. So if you're done freelancing in survival mode, book a strategy call. Let's build a business that brings in consistent clients for you. Link is going to be in the description. That's it for today, my friend. Hope you found it valuable. And as always, let's bridge the gap 1 pixel at a time.